Hey everyone, thank you again for watching and thank you for your patience. So, it looks like unfortunately this is going to be my most negative update video yet, but I do have some important information to share with you guys, so let's get to it. So the trial is being rescheduled for June 21st at 1:15 p.m. My attorney said there's nothing to worry about, it's completely normal due to COVID-19 safety precautions and changes in scheduling, but I can't help to think there's a little bit something fishy going on because the threatening letter I got from Oscar and his attorneys, and maybe there's some other change in the case. I hope not, but I'm just going to reschedule the car meet accordingly and hope to see you guys there, but it does seem a little bit odd. So another reason I'm a little suspicious is because my AP1 got dropped from my car insurance coverage. It was reported to them, most likely by Oscar, that my car has been used for commercial purposes, solely for commercial purposes apparently. And which couldn't be farther from the truth, because whenever this car runs and drives, it's my daily. I love this car to death, and when it's not broken or wrecked or it's not snowing outside and there's no ice, I drive this car to work every day, and I love it. But unfortunately, it has been dropped off of the policy, and they denied my appeal a few days ago. But thankfully, I was able to get the car home before the final day of the coverage elapsed, and now it's safely here at home until I can figure this out. So I called Geico. Apparently Geico offers a pretty steep discount for users of my bank, and they said it would be $173 a month for 4,000 miles a year in the AP1, which is absurd because USAA charged me $183 a month for 3 of my cars, my old 3 Series I just sold, and both of my S2000s at about 18,000 total miles a year. So $173 a month just for one car is pretty ridiculous. I mean, I'm almost 29 years old. I'm past the whole 25 years old, insurance goes down kind of rule of thumb, but that's just ridiculous. So for now, the car unfortunately has to sit in my garage. So there you have it. Oscar's trying to get some kind of revenge on me, it seems. You know, I've always tried to be nice to him. We met at the car meet. I was trying to, you know, just chat with him, let him look around my car, and then he wanted to go for a drive, and I let him. That was a huge mistake, but now it really seems like he's trying to just turn around and bite me and stab me in the back. I've given him every chance to pay properly and settle this properly for way less than, you know, it would normally cost, should he be found at fault. But it just seems like he's being vindictive and almost kind of vengeful here. I just want to put this all behind us and offer what I can to the motorcyclist, and now he's making it personal. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you for your patience. I hope to see you guys soon at the car meet. I'll try to give you another update as the things proceed with my attorneys towards the case. But until then, I guess I'll see you in the next one.